No. You know, the boy feature one. More feature, one feature.
Alright, back here one promo.
More feature.
Alright, back here one promotion.
Why?
Promotion we are give. The target no man, we want people to know about your business. Target people don't want to know about your business. Your name, your location, service you offer. Why T why you not going good, you know? You not going good as an entrepreneur, you know, bro, God. You better look at 9 to 5, you know. Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm reached back on the farm and I just get some supplies for the animal them. So one day I don't really drop my video because I have some things I deal with, plus I'm supposed to reach out to you, do something there so and drop it, plus I have something what I need to do what else. So I kind of try to cut down on all length in my video them bit too. So so I have some content to drop in a month. Yeah. Last month I dropped like 6 videos. Now I go on, this is my first month on YouTube, and then I go on bad. Yeah, so I wish more people subscribing because a lot, like maybe around 5% of my viewers are subscribe. So maybe less because I have like 2,000 views already overall and 60 subscribers, and more improve on those numbers. Yeah, so these guys like, support, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah, guys, I really want to grow the channel now. Man, 2 weeks officially. Thursday, chicken them look good. Alright, so over there, so now I prepare over a weekend, sanitize and put in sawdust. Next following 3 weeks, see what can go on over there. So yeah man, progress. After a long time now I maximize for name Kubia. The Kubia right now, a max capacity can make up to $1 million. Max capacity scoop can make up $1 million out of chicken. Why Georgia big? Yeah man, so I want to start use my land space, yeah. A good little land space I want to use up. Yeah, so yeah man, farming has a lot of potential. So you guys if you're in Clarendon, make a deliver to St. Elizabeth. It depends on the weight. St. Catherine, Kingston can link up, you see me. Now next 4 weeks from now I got chicken ready. one of the best price me have on the market, $290 per pound, isn't me? So they make deliveries to shops, restaurants, and wholesale. Yeah, so just link up, guys. Yeah, man, so everything looks good on the farm. And morning, yeah. You don't want to get feeding from morning. Somebody will say feeding up on the jungle. Hello, big belly. Oh, go on. My grandpa in them a drop. Look for you belly. And I get feeding from morning. Give like enough feeding from morning, man. Come on, look for me today. Alright, so. Come, madam, bro, come, jump up, me see it to them, come. Jump up, mom, jump, me see it to them. My sister, them titty I got, so. Yeah, man. You not going like couldn't get feeding from morning, so. So, mom, when my grandpa in my drop. Oh, go on. What a bit, yeah. Alright, looking lovely, pen clean. Ask by myself in feeding for a morning, because I behave like I get feeding. I know more like I get feeding. Yeah, so a lot of work to do. I try to improve on the quality and the video them I drop. So the house right now, I have some work to do for it. I have some work to do. Inside and outside. Yeah, so I have a lot of things coming, guys, that a lot of things doing right now. I try to improve on my quality and my content them. So I don't want to drop just drop videos so just like that. I want to make sure the qualities are very informative and that guys actually learning something and it can be very entertaining. And also, you know, this is a business and travel channel, so I have a lot of places where I have to travel to. Yeah, all over the island, so we can showcase, you know, different places, different businesses. I also have a vlog to do on my bridging thing that I go places easy. Yeah, hike and chill every month. The last Sunday of each month, that's in Summerfield in Chapelton. Yeah, so I make you know what go on. It's my environment. If you want to network with other entrepreneurs, like-minded people like yourself in entrepreneurship, looking to get started, and other people are invited to come and hike and chill. A lot of activities, good food, and you can network with a lot of people. You go places, big up yourself. You don't know Jamaica, Busy Travel TV. Yeah, you have the support. Yeah, man, I do a vlog. And when I'm going this mountain, so we will be doing a vlog. And for go places I can chill, so you guys can see what I go on really, because there's not like that in Clarendon. Yeah, my first introduced to the parish. So yeah, man. So yeah, I'm gonna try getting the link in the description also. The icon chill, so you can check it out. The location, if any information. He has a lot of products selling, such as castor oil for your ear. If you buy some for your ear too. He also have coconut oil and other many other products, you see me. He's a youth from we go school from high school to university. He's a very ambitious. When you say entrepreneurship, you say these, you say go places. And them man they actually motivate me to actually start my own thing. You see me, to push the boundaries them. Yeah man, so go places represent, you see me. We are dead. Even for we eye top we are dead. You see me, if your eye can chill. Big up yourself, bro God. You see me, inspiration to enough youths. Yeah man, so go and do your thing. So guys, remember, go places, I can chill last Sunday this month. Every last Sunday every month. You see me? So the link will be in the description. You can check it out. Yeah, so right now forget some more chicken. Forget some more chicken next week. Yeah guys, and go places easy. Yeah man, go places also. You guys need like broiler chicks. You see me, you can link him. You can't even link him. He also have a website, Farmbwoy. Yeah, so official website is called Farmbwoy, where you can go there, you can see different products they offer, such as the castor oil, the coconut oil, and other products. And he sell many other things. If you want broiler chickens to order, you can get it. Because next week, I place an order with him for some broiler chickens to put over the other side of the cubia. And I say right now, the cubia, I maximize panny. This coop can host over almost $1 million in chicken. Right now, the size of it. This broiler coops. You see me? So over this, so as I say, I got to start egg production for the layers them over there. So yeah, and just so I want next pig pen, the one the over there, so we pick them in right now. I need to expand and that. Yeah man, so you know we have a lot of work to do. We have a property to work and we have a lot of work to do. So yeah man, so we just go and put in the work, you see me. I have to end up run come Clarendon today because person when I have on the farm tell me say the animal them the water feeding. So I have to end up run come down here. Yeah man, so yeah man guys, you can go farmbwoy.com. You can see the various products themselves, castor oil, the coconut oil, and you have other products. And it's I Can Chill. That I Can Chill. The link will be in the description. Yeah man, go places. Yeah man, me I tell you, the youth there go far, the youth there always push the boundaries them. Yeah man, so go over there and give my support, you see me? Yeah man, so I say this channel also showcases other entrepreneurs. Yeah man, so stay tuned. Right now, you go supermarket. If you want full of trolley right now, you have to have like, it's all costing like almost, depends on what you're buying still, but an average between like 20,000 to 30,000 Jamaican dollars for full of trolley. Yeah, I go supermarket almost every week for my daughter. And I mostly snacks I buy for her, and sometimes for her snacks some alone a few weeks I come to like 12,000, sometimes or more. And that's just for one child. Imagine if me they have 2 or 3. Sometimes I have to wonder how people do it, to be honest. Although my daughter broke bad still, so yeah, we always give her what she wants. But things are very expensive. Cost of living in Jamaica is getting out of hand, man. Inflation and kill we. So that's, you see, me actually launching a farming for a time. So me can start growing my own food, and the surplus me just sell it to people at a price, an affordable price. Because well, we have to survive, we have to eat. Not true. So I encourage everybody, start little backyard gardening. Start do something. Start produce something. And I tell you, farming, I love farming from I was a child. I always a plant. I always do local farming. And funny enough, even farming, I never studied at high school. It's not our business, but I realize I'm so good at them. See me, and much I never study them in depth. I never do agriculture high school, I never do one business subject. right now I try teach myself accounting and the fundamentals of business same way. So I still learn. I just say you never stop learn, and no matter when you finish high school, you've done college, with most people then stop learn. And I said this already. When I reach certain level of formal education, I no longer need formal education anymore. You need to become a you need to self-educate yourself. You need to become a long life learner. You need to become a person who you educate yourself, because look funny, information is out there nowadays, on the internet. Internet is such a powerful tool if you know if you use it right way. Educate yourself in making money. There are many different ways. The first when I just start make decent money, online me da make it. Online. When I stay right here in Jamaica, I make more money than people in the United States. You see me? Working with companies over there. Yeah, so the internet has a lot of potential in terms of information, and also if you want to launch businesses, you want to work with other companies overseas. You see me? It's there. So people need to stop just use the internet for the social media. Any idea just to consume content, and most of this content, most of it is garbage. You're not learning nothing from it. And I say people we can't blame the government for whatever hardship we are go through. You see your life, and you control your day, and you control your life. You can't control everything, but a lot of aspects of your life you can control. You see me? So it's up to you to make a change, to make an impact, to better your life. You can't sit down depend upon family, government. You see me, at the right opportunity will come up. You have to go out there and make your own opportunities. You have to go out there and do something, to be honest. You can't just sit around and wait for people. One thing I always realize, I don't like wait for nobody, I don't like depend on nobody. I get up and make things happen for myself and my family. So guys, I want everybody, start plant something. If you have land space, start raise some animal. Start do something. Because life is not getting no easier. Life is become more and more challenging, more and more expensive. And you have to do something. I only have one child. I tell you, if you just take care of KG a month time, it cost we 80 to almost 100,000 Jamaican dollars for just one child, properly take care of one child. And sometimes same way, that is just, to me, that is just for the basic. You see me? So you can imagine one child to properly feed a child, clothe a child, send a child to school. Nowadays it's costing an average of that, and she's just like, this year will be 5 next month. 450,000 starting price. You see me? So all who interested can just link me up. AD Wagon 2011. You know, you're not a businessman though. You're not a businessman, I tell the people I give this entrepreneur a feature to promoting business. And look at the entrepreneur over this. Big tech, Big technician, Big technician, Hello, sir. No profanity on the channel, sir. Please and thank you. Yeah, man. This is for business. Hello, sir. Sir, this is for business promotion, sir. Yeah, me up on YouTube, beg nobody to know. Yeah, this is an entrepreneur channel, traveling, family, and something. So I give you one feature.
No. You don't want to buy a feature.
Alright, beg you one promo. Alright, beg you one promotion.
Why?
Promotion we are give you. So talk man, we want people to know about your business. That get time you don't want to know your business. Your name, your location, service you offer. Why T why you not going good, you know? You're not going good as an entrepreneur, you know, bro, God. You better look at 9 to 5, you know. You better look at 9 to 5, you know, bro, God, because you get a promotion right now from thousands of people, you know, where your business is, your name, and whatever services you offer.
95% Kisco.
You sell Kisco.
9 to 5.
Why, people? Why, I tell you?
Before we get to 15,000. Mad, man. You also have 15,000. You see them chicken? 1 month and give you 20,000. If you look now. Then can't chicken.
Yeah, people, I'll be a pet. Where's the name? Fernley? Where the name of yours? The address? What type of street?
Half the street.
Yeah, brother, we serious, bro, God. Why people can't find your business, bro, God? Why people can't find a business, bro, God? TY. More people can find a business, so you can get more business, so you can make more money in your pocket. So you can take care, you can win back your wife, you see me? You can win back wife, you can live happily ever after again.
Free flow, free flow. That's a terrible machine.
I tell you.
See man, I come here and know business. That's more business.
Brother Nick, what go on? I can feature on the YouTube. What go on? Talk your business and the service you offer. Hello, come man. You're not business. You know, say me come, yo, me don't know why I'm today Clarendon, brother, and I said I'm an entrepreneur. Bro, I know if you love business in a dog, I look 95, you know.
95 can't be everybody.
So what do I think of business promotion, eh? Free business promotion. You not going good enough? You don't want more money in the pocket, man. Man, the bank for me, I tell you, brother, have a talk to your name, when located, and the services you have. And you come now, I ain't much better. You're not good, man, like I'm rich already, you know. You're not alright. Why me I tell you people? Why me I tell you? Honestly, I run some entrepreneurs and I book up and find what they are. I have a lot of them, you know, because boy, I don't know. At least I know from high school. Look for him. Then say I'm a daddy picking him. And me and him look alike. Look for him good. Look for him. Me and him look alike. Let's look like some bushman. Eh? I think I'm promoting business. Why am I a businessman? Not the one around there. So when I worst set of entrepreneurs book up on. People, you say I'm broke. Alright, so say I'm broke. Whatever service you offer right now? Because some clients can come to you right now. So you can make a money. Ain't you why? So I want a client. So you don't want more clients. Clients never enough, you know, man. Don't worry, I go up on YouTube see me. Yeah, I turn famous. All you know promote the business and I don't want more money, but you still I'll get famous. Yeah guys, so on my way back to Portmore right now. Finish with me I do a Clarendon, look at the car, the wagon that I'm selling. And yeah, so you guys will see a video of that. Yeah, my previous clippings. So I'm on my way back right now to Portmore on the highway right now. Yeah, so yeah man, so Farmbwoy there kinda ease up on the vlogging, but me have to step it up back in terms of the pace. I have some quality content to drop, so I'm kinda there Farmbwoy there plan out when me have to drop them and we make certain moves. Yeah, so yeah man, so I'm there right now on the move right now, go back in a Portmore, Sunshine City. Yeah, so yeah man, so yeah guys, so we reach back at Portmore now. Yeah, from morning me I drive up and down. Finally reach back. Yeah man, so I have some reporting to go do and some other things. Yeah man, so yes I'm gonna end the one here, you know. Yeah man, so catch you in the next one. Remember to like, subscribe, share and comment to Jamaica Business Travel TV and Wildlife Plus out.